Hello, my name is Summer Miley, and I'm third stewardess on Motor Yacht Hospitality, and I will take you through the boat right now if you want to follow me. So this is our aft deck. This is where we have a lot of our lunches and dinners, sometimes breakfast also. We have a bar, nice television, so you can sit and watch TV whenever you're feeling like sitting outside and enjoying the weather. I'll take you into our main salon if you want to follow me. So this is our main salon, probably the most used area of the boat other than cabins, but this is where everyone likes to sit and relax, and it's a pretty comfortable space. So I'll take you in this way to our dining room. So this is our dining room table. We have it all set up right now. We have the beautiful jellyfish on the table. And so we have a lot of our meals here, and we think that it really adds something to the theme, which is a midnight beach theme. Yeah, we're very lucky to have this beautiful tank. We have 7 cabins on this boat, and the boat sleeps 12 guests. So if you'll come in here, this is one of our double VIP cabins. So we have a double bed, full bathroom, comfortable with all the wood, and I think it gives it a cozy. So this is another one of our cabins, which actually is also a gym. In here we have yoga mats and weights in here. With the follow me, I'll take you to our main deck cabins. So we have 2 cabins on this level, plus what we call our library. So we have a little sitting room area. So if people want to get out of their bedroom and have a little bit of their own space, they can feel free to do that. So now I will take you into our twin cabin, which, like I said, connects to the library. So we have 2 twin beds in here. This is kind of a room if you have kids, good little sleepover room. And now I'll take you into our VIP cabin, which is actually my favorite room. It's a little bit bigger, which is why it's called the VIP. So I'll take you up to our bridge where our captain drives the boat and gets us everywhere safely. All the windows, and it's a nice sunny room, and we have all of our controls which get us everywhere we need to go. Now I will take you into our master cabin and lounge. Nice spacious room. We have 2 separate bathrooms in this room, and also leads out to a little private balcony. And now I'll take you into the upper lounge, which when guests do stay on the boat, they can choose whether they would like the upper lounge to be only for them, so they can have their own private space, or it can be open to the rest of the guests, whatever they want to do for their trip. Again, nice comfy space. This piano actually plays by itself, and you can play songs and sing, and it's fun because the little keys move by themselves, and it also acts as a normal piano. So I'll take you onto the upper deck. This is where we try to have most of our dinners. Yeah, it's really beautiful up here. We love having our dinner parties and everything else up here. All right, so I'll take you up to the sun deck. So beautiful up here. Obviously very, very sunny right now. So we have some lounge chairs. So we have our nice seating area. We have a bar. We have a grill over here in the corner, and a sliding door that leads down to the upper deck. And then it closes automatically. And then finally we have the jacuzzi in the front, and a nice bunny pad in front to lay out. Probably my favorite spot on the boat, where I would spend most of my time if I were a guest. That was our tour of Motor Yacht Hospitality, and we want to thank you for giving our beautiful jellyfish tank to us for our table setting. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed the tour, and maybe see you again sometime soon. Thank you.